Today is Friday, December 6th, 2013, and today's Moonbeam Minute is: the moonbeams continue even when we're not looking. So I noticed that I spend a lot of time thinking about where I'm going or where I've been, and when I do the Moonbeam Minute every evening, it occurs to me that I hadn't really thought about the moonbeams since the night before. And sometimes when I meditate on the moonbeam for 1 minute, I just don't even believe that the moonbeams will still be there. But every time I check in, the moonbeams show up. And they still continue, even when I'm not paying attention to them. So thank you, moonbeams. I want to thank you for being so steadfast.